SIM cards are now available of Starlink's chip, which will give unlimited supply of lifetime internet and phone connections at very low prices. But wait, here's the lie. Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the latest tech news. The residents of America and Latin America are seeing ads on their Facebook where the SpaceX CEO Elon Musk is standing holding a SIM card of Starlink chip offering low prices. The image is AI generated and is being used to scam people nationwide. The fraudsters are using this image to gain popularity, which they're already getting. They're claiming to give their customers excellent satellite connectivity in just $14.99 per month, and it'll help the customers stay connected anywhere in the world with total freedom. Although it is true that Starlink can power SMS-based text in cellular dead zones, but SpaceX has not made it available for global audiences. SpaceX partners only select wireless carriers such as T-Mobile to deliver this technology to specific markets. However, some Latin American users have said this fake offer is beautiful and incredible. How does this scam work? Well, if you click on the link, it'll direct you to a page with a questionnaire. It'll have questions regarding your current connection, and then the next page will tell you how getting this chip is a better idea. Later, it'll show you 3 offers of different varieties, naming them Lunar, Future, and Space plans. The scammers really put his thoughts in it. Once you select a plan, it'll trick you to make the payment on the scammer's Shopify checkout page. Meta hasn't perceived it as a scam yet because Starlink chip scammers have fooled Facebook's fraud systems by not mentioning SpaceX or Starlink in the ads tags. Instead, the Starlink brand appears on the ad's image. That's very clever. So this is how people are being happily scammed, thinking they've taken a great deal only to lose their money in the end. What are your thoughts about this? If you love this news, smash that like button, subscribe to GadInsider, and hit the bell icon for more tech updates.